What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. And today, in this episode, we're going to take this next level hoodie and I'm going to show you how to heat press Siser Easysubli vinyl onto it. I don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of time, but the great thing about YouTube, you can slow the video down, you can rewind the video, you can pause the video, you can fast forward the video. Nevertheless, I shouldn't have slowed down in order for you to catch up. First thing I'm gonna do is jump into the Cricut design space. I'm gonna load my Deadpool image as a complex. Now I'm gonna save it as a cut and thread. I'm gonna insert all required images into the canvas. Adjust the sizes as required. I will be using flop for the two bottom images, so they will be mirrored and welded. The Easysubli vinyl, however, does not need to be mirrored. I will be loading my Siser Easysubli vinyl into the printer. Always shiny side up. Then I go ahead and select print.
I mean, you gotta look alive, cause in the field get live. Or you gon' have your mama crying, asking God why. Why is my son in that casket? Why he get caught lacking? Why was he acting tough knowing well he bad at acting? His girl say he be tripping, but the ops say he wasn't packing. Some niggas just wasn't built for the others.
Now that my image is printed on my Easysubli paper, I will now place the transfer paper under the heat press for 60 seconds. The other suggested option is to let the image sit for 24 hours. Nobody has time for that. I usually turn the image around and give it about another 15 seconds or so. It needs to dry so it can be placed in the vinyl cutter without smearing. And once this step is complete, it can be cut. I will now be carefully weeding the vinyl around the image. Not a necessary step for a solid image, but I'll be using my Easysubli masking to transfer the vinyl and using a small squeegee to remove any air bubbles.
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Now be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. That's facts. We did. But going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever make. Keep my grass cut, gotta watch out for the snakes. If it's on my plate, best believe it's getting 8. I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe, 33 before the 8. I just want the rings and the medals and the trophies. I want the Kardashians and Jenner to all know me. I wanna take a Uber to the hills to visit Chloe. I want the floor seats cause I'm tired of the nosebleeds. When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. I'm
gonna go ahead and set my heat press at 315. Gave my hoodie a pre-press to remove moisture. And I laid my flop on the hoodie.
I used to have a lot of friends, I never thought my day one circle be this small. But who needs love if it's fake love? I'm tryna shine like the diamonds on Mike's glove.
Place my Easysubli vinyl.
Just like Mike's glove, I'm tryna go from burnt rugs to the red rugs. That's facts.
I set my hoodie under a heat press using a heat press pillow. Press the garment at 315 degrees for 15 seconds. No more, no less. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe. If you have any tips and tricks for dealing with Easysubli vinyl, please leave it in the comment section below. Peace.